Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, June 21st, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, if you saw my video yesterday, you know I was in a very pessimistic mood about what was going to happen today. And the problem that we had yesterday on the close, we had $8,000 in negative open trade equity, total of 13 positions. The majority of them were negative, and the Dow looked terrible. I called it down for today. It did, in fact, go down. The Dow went down 57 points, so I was right on that. But what I never dreamed of or counted on is those 13 horrible positions turned into spectacular positions. And what happened was we did close out some of those positions, but even though we didn't close them all out, the ones we did close out still went from negative 8,000 to being closed out negative $4,000 positive. But we carried several of those what were then very negative positions into today, and as a result we have positive $18,000 positive going into tomorrow. Just spectacular. So everything that looked wrong yesterday went right today. And I tell you, I've been doing a lot of trading, and you don't get this happening very often. It's very unusual. But we had a total reversal of fortunes. As I say, we closed out $4,000 positive. We're carrying positive $18,000 going into tomorrow. I will show you, and that's with the Dow down 57 points. I will show you three of our best trades that we are carrying going into tomorrow. This first one is Cara. That's Cara Therapeutics. We had bought this yesterday near the high of the day. It closed against us. You can see that. But today, it actually opens lower, and then before we have a chance to get out, it actually hits our second buy signal. So we stay in it, and it just keeps going all day. And we are holding $4.5 thousand, $4,500 positive in Cara Therapeutics. Then we have Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. And we had bought that yesterday on a gap here. It had closed slightly positive, maybe a couple $100, but then it gaps up today, and it keeps going. And the result of this, and of course we stay in it, and because of this very nice move, we're holding positive $6.3 thousand, $6,300 positive in Advanced Micro Devices. And if those trades aren't good enough, I'll show you the really spectacular one. This is the Esperion Therapeutics, and we had bought that yesterday. Bought the high tick of the day almost. It closed against us. Looked like a lousy, horrible trade. And this thing again takes off and moves hard enough so that we stay in the trade, and it keeps going and going and going, and makes new highs the last 15 minutes of the day, and we are holding positive $8,000 in Aspirion Therapeutics. Those three trades are really what's making up almost all that positive $18,000 that we have going into tomorrow. Just a spectacular day. Fantastic. Everything went right today. And boy, does that feel good. Anyway, Trader Bob is happy. Trader Bob's dancing on the ceiling. I'm signing out. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.